Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. We are given 32 raised to the power of negative x equal to 1 over 16. And we are expected to find the value of this x. If you want to solve this question correctly, first of all, because the left-hand side of the equation is in exponential form, what we have to do is we have to rewrite this right-hand side also to be in exponential form. Now the question is, how do we do that? It's very simple. Here's the solution. You just have to write this left-hand side the way it is. You have 32 raised to the power of negative x equal to, now you see this fraction. Anytime you have 1 over any number, if you want to write it in exponential form, just write down the number, the denominator, which is 16. And then because we have 1 over, you raise it to the power of negative 1. This 1 over changes to this negative 1. This is in accordance with negative power law of indices. Now, if you look at this, you can see that both sides are in exponential form. The next thing we are going to do is to make these two sides, these two bases to be the same. We are going to rewrite these two numbers in exponential form again such that they will be in the same base. The question arises again, how do we do it? 32 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 5. Why? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 5 places will give us 32. So in place of this 32, we are going to write 2 raised to the power of 5. So we'll replace this with 2 raised to the power of 5. Then we raise it to the power of this negative x. Then equal to 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4. Why? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 4 places will give us this 16. So in place of this 16, we are going to write 2 raised to the power of 4. We have 2 raised to the power of 4. Then raised to the power of this negative 1. If you look at these two sides of the equation, you can see that this number here is raised to 2 powers. This one is also raised to 2 powers. Because they are raised to 2 powers, we are going to apply something called power law of indices. According to power law of indices, anytime a number is raised to more than 1 power, just like what we have here, that we should simply multiply the powers together. So we are going to multiply these 2 powers together. When we do that, we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 5 times negative x will give us negative 5x of negative 5x. Then equal to these 2. We do the same thing here. We are going to multiply the both powers. 4 times negative 1 will give us negative 4. If you look at this, you can see that the bases are the same. Because they are the same, they will cancel. And we are left with negative 5x equal to negative 4. Remember, we are looking for x, not negative 5x. So we are going to divide both sides by this negative 5 that is attached to this x. Divide this by negative 5. Also divide this by negative 5. This negative sign will cancel this negative sign. 5 will cancel 5. And we have x equal to this negative sign will cancel this negative sign. We are left with 4 over 5. This is the answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful.